你好. In the previous lesson, we learned how to say, where are you from? 你是哪里人? In this lesson, we'll dive deeper into the question word where, 哪里 or 哪儿, and learn 3 more ways to use this word to ask questions. Let's get started. In the morning in Chinese is 上午,上午. Wu means noon, and xiang literally means above or upper. Imagine that you have today's schedule on your calendar app. Your agenda is usually listed in a chronological way, so the events in the morning are in the upper areas of the page. The events in the afternoon is in the lower part of the page. Lower or below in Chinese is 下,下. In the afternoon, 下午,下午. Shang and xia also can mean last or next, respectively, when combined with other time phrases. For example, last week, 上星期,上星期. Next week, 下星期,下星期. Last month, 上个月,上个月. Next month, 下个月,下个月. We also learned in the previous lesson that 去 is to go. Factory outlets in Chinese is 奥特莱斯,奥特莱斯. To go to the outlets. 去奥特莱斯,去奥特莱斯. What can you do in 奥特莱斯? To buy stuff in Chinese is 买东西,买东西. 买 means to buy, and 东西 is stuff in general. To go to the outlets to buy stuff. 去奥特莱斯买东西,去奥特莱斯买东西. I'd like to go to the outlets to buy stuff. 我想去奥特莱斯买东西,我想去奥特莱斯买东西. I'd like to go to the outlets to buy stuff in the afternoon. Don't forget to put the time phrase at the beginning of the sentence. 下午我想去奥特莱斯买东西。下午我想去奥特莱斯买东西。Now, if you want to ask about your friend's plan in the afternoon, you can simply ask using the question word 哪里 or 哪儿. I'm going to use 哪儿 for the rest of this lesson, but 哪里 is just as good. It's purely personal preference. How do you say, where would you like to go in the afternoon? We can simply replace the answer with 哪儿。下午你想去哪儿？下午你想去哪儿？ This is how we can use 去哪儿 to ask our friends about their future plans. If we want to talk about places that we went to in the past, we can simply add 了 at the end of 去哪儿, and we've got 去哪儿了,去哪儿了,去哪儿了 means where did someone go? Yesterday in Chinese is 昨天,昨天. Where did you go yesterday? 昨天你去哪儿了？昨天你去哪儿了？ To work out is 健身,健身. A gym, and I'm talking about the most general type of gym with no specialties, like the ones you'll find in hotels, is 健身房,健身房. 房 literally means a house or a room. To go to the gym, 去健身房,去健身房. To go to the gym to work out. 去健身房健身,去健身房健身. Went to the gym to work out. 去健身房健身了,去健身房健身了. I went to the gym to work out yesterday. 昨天我去健身房健身了。昨天我去健身房健身了。Lastly, we can use 在哪儿 to ask where someone is now. 在 is similar to a preposition in this context. We usually use it before location. If you want to ask your friend, where's the teacher? You could say 老师在哪儿?老师在哪儿? The office is 办公室,办公室. In the office. 在办公室,在办公室. The teacher is in the office. 老师在办公室, 老师在办公室。Note that we don't need the to be 是 here. 老师在办公室。Alright, I've used sort of a long-winded way to introduce the 3 ways to use 哪儿 in this lesson, so I'll summarize them here. 去哪儿 is used when you're talking about future plans. For example, 下午你想去哪儿？下午你想去哪儿？去哪儿了 is for past events. For example, 昨天你去哪儿了？昨天你去哪儿了？在哪儿 is used to ask someone's whereabouts now. For example, 老师在哪儿？老师在哪儿？ That's all for today. Hope you like this lesson. I'll see you in the next one. 谢谢，再见。